Hello, friends. Welcome back to the iSenShare channel. In this video, I will show you how to open computer or system properties in Windows 10. Way 1. Turn it on via this PC's context menu. Right-click this PC and select Properties. Then you can click any option on the left side to check System Properties. Way to open it via this PC and keyboard shortcuts. Hit this PC and press Alt and Enter key together. Way 3. Turn it on via keyboard shortcuts. Press Windows and pause or break keys on the keyboard. Way 4. Open System Properties via searching. Type System in the search box, then select System from the search result. Way 5. Turn it on in the Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Then choose System and Security. Click System. Way 6. Open it through Settings. Type About in the search box. Choose About your PC from the search result. Go to the right panel and click System Info to access System Properties. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next